Hello students, today we are going to learn about some civilian awards. So let's start. Number 1, Bharat Ratna. It is the highest civilian award given for any exceptional work in any field. The first person to get this award was C. Raja Gopalachari. Second, Padma Vibhushan. Second highest civilian award given for excellence in arts, science, literature, public service, etc. The first person to receive this award was Satyendra Nath Bose. Third, Padma Bhushan. It is the third highest civilian award given for outstanding performance, excluding public sector. The first person to receive this award was Sunil Gavaskar. Fourth, Padma Shri. It is the fourth highest civilian award given for outstanding achievement in any field, including government employees. The first person to receive this award was Balbir Singh Dosanjh. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.